Break 'em.
Waking up in the morning, gotta thank God. I don't know, but today seems kinda odd. No barking from the dog, no small. And mama cooked the breakfast with no hog. I got my grub on, but didn't dig out. Finally got a call from a girl I wanna dig out. So hooked it up for later as I hit the dough. Thinking, will I live another 24? I gotta go, cause I got me a drop top. And if I hit the switch, I can make the ass drop. Had to stop at a red light, looking in my mirror, not a jacker in sight, and everything is alright. I got a beat from Kim, and she can fuck all night. Called up the homies and I'm asking y'all, which part are y'all playing basketball? Get me on the court and I'm troubled. Last week fucked around and got a triple-double. Freaking niggas every way like MJ. I can't believe today was a good day. To the pad and hit the showers. Didn't even get no static from the cowards, cause just yesterday them fools tried to blast me. Saw the police and they rolled right past me. No flexing, didn't even look in a nigga's direction as I ran the intersection. Went to Show Dog's house, they was watching Yo on TV raps. What's the haps on the craps? Shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em up, shake 'em. Roll 'em in a circle of niggas and watch me break 'em with the 7-11, 7-11, 7 even backdoor Little Joe. I picked up the cash flow, then we played bones, and I'm yelling domino. Plus nobody I know got killed in South Central LA. Today was a good day. Left my nigga's house paid, picked up a girl, been trying to fuck since the 12th grade. It's ironic, I had the boo, she had the chronic. The Lakers beat the Supersonics. I felt on the big fat fanny, pulled out the jammy and killed the poop nanny. And my dick runs deep, so deep, so deep, put her ass to sleep. Woke her up around 1, she didn't hesitate to call Ice Cube the Top Gun. Drove her to the pad and I'm coasting. Took another sip of the potion, hit the 3-wheel motion. I was glad everything had worked out. Dropped her ass off and then chirped out. Today was like one of those fly dreams. Didn't even see a berry flashing those high beams. No helicopter looking for a murder. 2 in the morning, got the fat burger. Even saw the lights of the Goodyear blimp, and it read Ice Cube's a pimp. Drunk as hell, but no throwing up. Halfway home, and my page is still blowing up. Today I didn't even have to use my AK. I gotta say it was a good day. Wait a minute, Pooh, stop this shit. What the fuck I'm thinking about?
I make MCs come with bad feces. Unlock the bowels of your species. I'm Mike Metamucil, constipation is futile. Rap laxative, sweep out the wackest so you can live regular. Fiber, retire to the toilet, non sequitur. Drop that sanitation, wipe, spray, you match it. Whatever be the case, just advance your tactics. Poor diet, watch what you eat, you need roughage. You carry around undigested rhyme luggage. Your stool is very soft, you don't rule. My brown chalks are more rugged now. You Fewer and fewer come straight from the sewer. Clear your nasal, strong like steel manure. Rap losers at a loss on the tuna. Now won't be in the future. How in the hell is that prosperity? Black people like you embarrass me. We're much too respected for you to step and fetch it. So wretched. That's what happens when laws are neglected. Total anarchy. Pop-up records get played at the party. DJs don't let the real get respected. Commercial radio, house nigga style selected. Sleeping on the art, can't detect it. Flash in the flamboyant part. Dead bodies are buoyant. Watch for sharks. If you're selling dope, watch for knocks. They say narco-trafficante's the wrong way. The profit's more exotic. You don't need crack, black flames, you're narcotic. What's more exotic to me is pure logic. Sabotage your blind optics. One of the first that lyric church, like the Coptic. Espionage, metal barrage, from my fly ride in the parking garage. Slugs into the flesh of your chest, the left breast. Hit your spine, very hard to dislodge. You can't even run abroad, my death squad is international. Will you see Jehovah after death or see Satan? Don't keep me waiting, prolonging the inevitable. Just keep hating, speed up the process. What I'm creating is not silly pagan beliefs with no foundation underneath. As you skating on thin sheets of ice, you're just a layman, sounding out my name. Wrong pronunciation. When you talk trash, get it right and correct, close to perfect. If you are imperfect, I'll break your neck. Paralyzed and need health care, sign over that check. Paraplegic in a diaper, catching wreck, need a diaper change unsanitary. I'll burn your arm with a bigger blunt cherry. Then comes urea right out the urinary. Or do you want a substance that is white yet not dairy? Nor is it non-dairy creamer. Use your pituitary before I bust it like the small capillaries in my eyes, turning them bloody. You're open like a wound to my tune, dripping human hip-hop hemoglobin. In that blood I write the slogan, bite I kill you, no emotion. Fanfare, flare, penetrate, no matter what the man wear. Like his flesh was bare, West California bear warfare. Wild like a Kodiak, same area that gave you the Zodiac. Killer, 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 killer.
All right.